Good morning and welcome to Thursday's edition of the Bubba Show. I'm actually shooting this midweek because I had some technical problems which I apologize for. I guess the audio didn't record well, so I want to make sure I gave you guys a fresh update, and please let me know in the future if that happens again. Anyways, as I start out every Thursday, it doesn't matter, and you can see now for sure that the jobs numbers don't matter. The market is now in a minor sell-off. We're down the last 4 to 5 days in a row, depending on the index that you're looking at. No need to fear. We're down just over 1% for the last 5 days. Think about it, okay? The market the market on Tuesday had its worst day in 2 months. So again, nothing to worry about. We're gonna look for spots. We're gonna look for levels. Now we have a lot of news the next 2 days now. Now, if the market really wants to go lower, bad news could have some effect. We've got GDP, a pre-GDP number announcement. We've got Michigan sentiment. We've got the Philly Fed. We've got Chicago PMI. All stuff that could have possible market movement. But the bottom line is to follow the footprint and follow the charts of what you're trading. Okay, we are now in a little bit of a down move here, coming down to some support levels in the market. What are we going to look for here is we're going to look for an opportunity to see where the market is going to take us. We had Google and Apple both run up to make new highs, and now Apple is starting to come down. Google is still hanging out pretty well. You have the bonds in a parabolic move to the upside, which is a sign of fear. But the true fear index, which is the VIX, has not really budged. It's up a little bit, but it's still significantly below where it should be to have reasonable volatility in the market. So we're not going to panic here. We're going to continue to trade. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the week, I want to be in a sell the rally mode. You could feel that the market was a little frothy and a little toppy coming here, so the sell-off should be of no surprise. What is surprising me is that the sell-off is so orderly. So looking forward into today, what's the action of the charts? We are at the quarter end. Quarter end typically as a chance to create what they call window dressing. This would be a perfect opportunity for buyers to step in a little bit here, buy the dip. Yesterday was Yom Kippur. It was a holiday. So, it was a good volume day on a day that shouldn't have had any volume. So it actually matched. Wednesdays and Tuesdays volume were almost exact. So interesting that we got pretty good volume on that sell-off. The market made a weak attempt at a rally. Watch the bond market. See what's going on. Look for your spots. Look for your levels. And what I'm looking for here is an opportunity to sell up against resistance levels. That would be the trade that I'd be looking for now here. I think for the next few weeks, we now get a little bit of that selling pressure we've been looking for. So remember, watch the news, watch the numbers, but only trade off the charts. Remember Bubba's picks? Remember for Thursday, have a great day. The Bubba Show will talk to you on Friday.